Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For you today, I have a really quick, relaxing clean with me. I'm just going to be doing the main living spaces, and then I'm also going to be cooking dinner for tonight, so I wanted to share that with you. And also, make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video because I'm going to be giving you some information on my giveaway. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and get started on dinner. So while that's cooking, I can go ahead and clean up the kitchen and living room. And what I'm doing tonight are the small garlic smashed potatoes, and then I'm going to make some chicken. It's really simple, real easy. I don't have to explain it all to you guys. If you want to know, ask and I'll let you know. But I'm just going to peel these potatoes, go ahead and get them on to boil. And then with my chicken, I just kind of flattened them out a little bit because they were thick. They were some thick chicks. And so I flattened those out a little bit. And then I grabbed some, it's like garlic butter with some herbs inside of it. We usually use it for like steak and stuff. But it's butter and garlic. It's good on anything. So I went ahead and put a little bit of that on the chicken. And then I added some Cavender seasoning on both. And you'll see here in just a minute that I apparently just let my potatoes boil for a little bit too long. So they were really soft. So when I tried to smash them, they all fell apart. It was an epic fail. But I decided, you know what? We're going to go with it. So I pretty much just smashed them all together in one big pile. And then I took some of the same butter and melted it, and then I just added some parsley flakes to it and poured it over the potatoes. And then I put that in the oven with the chicken on broil for probably about 5 or 10 minutes, and then I took the potatoes back out and I added some Parmesan cheese on top and put them back into the oven until all of that melted. And also in the middle of that, I had flipped my chicken over and put some more seasoning on the other side. But you really don't have to spread out that butter because it just melts all over everything. It was super simple, super delicious. So try it. If you guys are stuck on something for dinner, it's really basic, really easy, but all of those seasonings and especially that butter is so good. So while all of that was in the oven and cooking, I went ahead and started to clean.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me one more, talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh baby, just give me a sign. Baby, sign. Just give me one more talking to you and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me one more.
While I have a second here, I just wanted to hop in and say I'm so sorry for the angles of this video. Right before I started to record, I had set up my tripod in the kitchen and Bodie thought that he heard somebody coming up on the porch, which he didn't, but he ran right underneath of my tripod and it fell back onto the floor and the back piece broke off, so my camera wouldn't sit correctly on top of it, and I didn't trust it enough to put my camera up on there, so it's actually being held with my little handheld tripod, so it's got a little short angle, so I tried to get the best angles that I could, so I apologize about that, but I've already ordered one off of Amazon and it should be here tomorrow, so we won't have to worry about it anymore. But also I wanted to ask you guys, what are you doing for dinner tonight? Leave me a comment below. Let me know what one of your favorite summer dishes is to make.
Take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be yeah.
So this is how everything turned out. It was basically like a big baked potato, and I just added sour cream to mine, and the chicken was so juicy and so tender. It was absolutely delicious, and I ate every single bit of it. Okay, you guys, now that everything is tidied up and dinner is done, I didn't have too much to clean up because I had actually cleaned over the weekend, so it was just kind of picking up a few things here and there. But I've got dinner done, and it was actually really, really good. I sat and ate while it was still hot. But I came in the bedroom because Bodie is in there playing with a toy and it's kind of loud, so I didn't want that to be disturbing the video. But I wanted to give you guys the information on the giveaway. This is going to be in celebration of 3,000 subscribers. I can't even believe it when I say it. I'm so grateful to you guys. I just don't know what else to say. I just love each and every one of you, and I thank you so much for your support and for coming back each and every week. I just love you guys so much. So what I wanted to do was give back to you a little bit, and I'm going to be giving away a $50 Target gift card to one lucky winner. All you have to do is be a subscriber to my channel, follow me on Instagram. Also, I will have an Instagram post about it, and then if you like that post and share it and tag a friend, I'll have all of the rules and good stuff in the description box as well as on the Instagram post. I just wanted to give back something to you guys to say thank you and to show my love and appreciation. You guys mean so much to me, and if I could come and hug each and every one of you, I definitely would. But I just wanted to do that for you guys, and I'm going to leave this open through the end of July. No, I'm not going to do that. I changed my mind. Actually, my birthday is on the 22nd, so on July 22nd, on my birthday, I will pick the winner. So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you have your notification bells checked and clicked and all that good stuff. Give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if you're subscribed. Again, if you're not already, just click that little red button down there. It doesn't cost you anything, and it just shows your support for my channel, and I would just love it so much. So that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you come back and see me next time, and as always, I love you and I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the